South Sea and Tahitian pearl grading. While there is no internationally recognized number or letter system for pearl grading, there are best grading practices that are accepted and recognized by all professional pearl dealers within the industry. Understanding grading attributes and quality characteristics of South Sea and Tahitian pearl is imperative to properly shop and compare. Pearl grades are a combination of many different value factors. As pearls have many differing value factors such as shape, luster, size, and surface quality combining together to produce a unique gem, grading pearls can become very difficult. Although it is possible to grade each value factor individually, most purveyors of this gem rarely on a simple letter grade system. The grading assigned by a retailer or producer is specific only to that source. In other words, grades assigned by different companies are subjective to those companies and cannot be compared with grading from different sources. Which system is correct? The A3 to A1 system or the A to D system? Confusion abounds regarding the use of the A to D system or the Tahitian system or the A3 to A system popularized by the late Kokichi Mikimoto. While some pearl dealers swear by one method, another seller may use the other. So which is correct? The answer is simple. They both are. Their use is largely based on location, but even this is a general rule of thumb, by no means absolute. Both systems are correct. In the USA, both systems are often used by different pearl companies, which is considered completely acceptable if the seller makes it known what system is being used and has an accurate representation of the quantified qualities. In producing countries such as French Polynesia and Australia, the A2D system is nearly universally used by producers of Tahitian and South Sea pearls. However, when the pearls are auctioned in Hong Kong, the Some producers utilize the A3 to A1 system when selling to wholesalers.